Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll look at one of the most important financial report in every business should know. So what is that? Of course, it's profit and loss report inside Odoo 90. So whether you are running a business or if it is a small business or you are managing accounts for a company, basically this report tells you exactly how much money your business is making or loss in a all real-time way. So, without switching, let's directly head over to the accounting module and see the report. Okay, so let's head over. And there you can find the reporting section and the report. Under the report, there you can find the profit and loss account under the statement reports. So just click on there and you will get the dashboard. Okay. So basically, this report shows your income, expense, and net profit or loss during a specific period of time. If it will be the quarter or it's a half yearly or yearly, you can specify all things inside this particular dashboard. You can filter all those things. Okay. So first of all, let me show you how to understand the layout of the particular dashboard. So what are the things that you can find from this dashboard? There we have the income, there we have the expenses, and there you can find the expenses, and there we have the net and profit. Profits and loss as well, right? So income means what? Yeah, all your sales and service revenue. Basically, the incoming revenue or the payment is basically income. Okay, that's the basic revenue of a company. So here you can find the income. And there you can find the cost of goods sold or something inside the income, like cost of the sales and everything inside the income. And there we have the expenses. What do you mean by expenses? Expenses is basically the things like rent, salary, or utilities that outgoing from your business, right? That the payables of your business is basically expenses. And there you can find the net operating income, which is other income and other expenses. So inside the expenses, there we have different kind of operating income and expenses, right? So there you can find all such things under the expenses. Okay, so that are the main elements that you can find inside or that you can see inside the profit and loss report dashboard. So and you can see one more thing, which is what at the bottom there you can find what is the net profit or net loss. It's basically the net profit or a net loss. We can't determine what is actually happening in a basic year or the basic period of time. It may be the net profit, it may be the net loss as well. Okay, so there you can find all such things. Now let's talk about what are the things or how you can adjust all the things or how you can customize the report very easily. Basically, you can adjust the date range, you can apply the filters. There you can find different kind of option on the top of the dashboard, which is 2025. If you want to change this as a quarter basis, what report, you can simply move to there and you can provide the date range and everything, and tada, you can see that the report session is completely changed. So you can customize as per your concern the report. Okay, there you can see the comparisons. If you want to compare with any kind of thing which is with the previous period, if you want to compare this report with the previous period, you can simply do that, like clicking on this option. You can specify which is the period and everything. And if you want to compare with the same period of the last year, you can simply do that. And there we have the custom dates and period order, that's in a descending way. Okay, so that you can find from here. And there we have all journals. So if you want to see any particular journal, which is bank, cash bakery, cash bar, cash basis taxes and everything, that you can find from here. And there we have the posted entries, which you want to draft any entries, or if you want to unfold all of those entries, you can simply do that using this option. And there we have the profit and loss, which you can see the basic profit and loss and the profit and loss in US. And there we have the budget, so you can customize your budget name and you can create those things. Okay, So you can simply, this means you can adjust the date range, apply any kind of filters, or even compare with the previous period and do all such things. Okay. So now let's talk about what are the things that you can drill down inside the report. So if you want to see the all detail about a particular income, once you click that drop down arrow, you will get a drill down thing. Like you can see all the details inside the drill down menu, or it opens the exact journal entries behind that particular figure. So if you want to see all the detail about this particular figure, you can simply click on there, and there you can find three dots, and once you're clicking there you can find the journal ledger. Sorry, not journal ledger, it's general ledger. If you want to go there, you can simply click on this option, and you can see all the general ledger about this particular income. Okay. So it's a great way to verify transaction or trace unexpected expense inside the profit and loss account. Okay. So basically that's the basic thing that you can find inside the report. And there we have one more thing. If you want to download this as a PDF, you can simply move to there and click on this option. And if you want to download this in as in an XLSS format, you can also do that. Okay. So you can find all such things inside the report. So that's how you can read and analyze the profit and loss report inside Odoo 19. So now you know how to monitor business performance, identify the expense pattern, and making smart financial decisions inside your business, right? So why wait? Do try it out, and in next video we'll dive into the cash flow statement inside Odoo 19 to understand how to cash is really moving and out of your business very easily. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Odoo 19 accounting tutorials. So if you have any suggestions, please do comment down below, and I'll be back. Bye-bye.